เชิญผู้โดยสารทุกท่านขึ้นเครื่องได้นะประตูทางออกหมายเลข 43 Gate number 43 Please have your passport or ID card with boarding card ready. Long and thank you.
Do you have a contract I can sign? And are you going to pay for my medical bills?
Can you do your pose?
My Wanderlust pose?
Give me your best one.
The story begins like this. I was eating a box of insert product placement here.
Believe me, this guy really needs his Wheaties.
And I got a couple of tickets for a trip to Koh Samui. And now here we are. You wanna know what the catch was? Your flight's at 6 a.m., which means we had to be here at 5, which means we had to leave for the airport at 4, which means we had to get out of bed at 3.
Which means it's 5.
Can we just stay here? I was having such a good time.
Let's do this.
Give me your
Let's
best
get
one.
wonderfully lost.
See ya.
Bye. Can you come
I've had a really bad creative block for the last month or so. I think I have really tried hard to put myself into sort of a cookie cutter of what I see other creators as and what I think I need to be in order to be successful like them. For the first time in like a year and a half, I kind of just gave myself a break from filming and editing, like for a couple of weeks. Even on weeks that I am not able to post, I was always working on something, and I finally just came to the realization that maybe I should just not. You know, maybe I should just not work on anything at all. Maybe I should just take a break from editing. I think that's what a big part of this opportunity was getting to do something a little bit different, but also having a little bit of time to just see where my creativity could take me, especially in a big place with a lot of possibility. You know, I can't measure the product of what I make in terms of how many views it gets or who really cares about it. I mean, at the end of the day, if I'm happy with it, that's all I really need for anything. Who cares? I'll be happy with this video no matter how it turns out. As long as I'm making something. Enjoy Koh Samui, guys. about making a video is spontaneity. I feel like that's an instinct I have lost sight of a lot in like the last 6 months mostly. The swimming pool is like a perfect embodiment of just taking a moment and putting it to good use when you have the time. You know what, when am I ever gonna have time to just jump at a rooftop at midnight with no one else around me to do a thing about it, right? I mean, I'm just gonna leave this up to destiny. I'm just gonna see what else gets filmed out of this and we'll go from there. Fun. Describe inspiration to me.
That's a really hard question.
At least you're being honest.
Universe grants you with a moment where you're ready to seize your opportunities.
That's
Does
weirdly
that make any
insightful.
sense?
Actually, it does, yeah. An airplane really needs to hurry up and fly over, though. Sometimes the best moments on camera, excuse me. Yeah, the best videos just come from most inopportune times. Oh, future Dorian, don't be hard on yourself. That is my rule of thumb to you, right?